I am super excited because I was sent this Paraffin Wax Machine for my review, and I have only ever done this at the spa when I get pedicures and when I get the fancy pedicures, I do this. So I'm gonna be trying this for the very first time. First thing I wanna do before I even talk about everything that it comes with is I wanna get this wax melted. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with that. So they do give you I don't know, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there's like 8 of them in here. And I do, these are lavender, fancy. So I've already plugged it in, and you can control the temperature right here. I've put it up to the max, which is 167 degrees Fahrenheit, because I just kind of wanted this to melt quickly. Obviously, once it gets melted, if I find it's like way too hot, I can change the temperature, obviously, because we don't want to burn ourselves, but we just need this wax melted. So let's go ahead, try not and make a mess. So they did say, at first I thought, oh, just putting in 1 block, but there is a maximum and a minimum line there. I think it said like starting off with 3. So we're gonna go ahead and put the 3 blocks in there, and then I'm gonna get to tell you everything else that we've got in here. Now my hands are a little bit slippery because touching that wax. These are kind of hard to open. Oh, here we go, we got it. Okay. I think that's just gonna be the hardest part of the whole thing, getting this wax out of here. All right, so we've got our wax in here. Oh, it's already melting. Can you see that on the bottom? Look at that. Look at that little pool of wax. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. And then, yeah, so once that melts, we're not gonna do that yet. Then we're gonna put this little guard over top. So this basically is when you're putting your hand and your foot in there, you don't wanna be touching the bottom because this is hot. Like this whole, I'm not gonna touch it, but oh, I did just touch it. It is hot all the way around there. So when you are putting your foot, your hand, obviously with your hand, it's easier to see not to go all the way down, but having a little guard there is obviously going to help. So I'm gonna wait till that melts and I'm gonna do that. It does come with a lid, and I've left it on the other table, and I feel like, so yeah, my husband is just gonna grab that for me. There we go. So we've got this lid. It is a nice clear lid so we can see. So I'm just gonna put that on there right now so we can trap in all of that heat while I tell you everything else that we've got in here. So if you've never done one of these before, you are truly missing out. It just like makes your skin feel like so soft and so smooth. So whether you're giving yourself at home like a little manicure, pedicure, or if you're just like wanna dip into the wax, so then it feels really fantastic. So they do give you a bunch of the plastic gloves right here, because after you dip it, so basically what's gonna happen, and obviously I'm gonna do all that live for you, I'm gonna try it on my one hand. So you go in and you wanna do it several times. Again, this is gonna be hot. It's like, it's melted wax. So I will be checking with the temperature. And you wanna do that a few times. You wanna make sure you're fully coated. Obviously we're not going all the way up our arm here. We're just gonna do our hand. And then what you wanna do is you wanna put one of these on. So this is gonna be on my hand here. And then you have these are for feet. Oh no, this is hand, sorry. Yeah, and then you've got 2 of these, so then you're gonna put this on. So this is just gonna kind of help keep that heat in there, and then you're just gonna kind of sit. So when I do these at the spa, I have these on my hand, and then they also have like the cute little booties as well, and they just put those over your feet. You let it sit, completely up to you. Again, I've only ever done this in a spa, and I usually sit there for maybe 10, 15 minutes. They just kind of let you relax and do that, and then we would take this off, and then we can just like peel that wax off. So obviously, because I'm at home and I'm probably gonna be the only one using this, like myself, maybe my husband, my stepdaughter, I'm probably just gonna take that wax and maybe put it back in here. I don't think you're supposed to, at a spa, you would never do that because it's probably like skin cells and stuff like that. But for me personally, I'm like, my husband and stepdaughter won't mind, but you should probably throw that out. But yeah, so it comes with everything that you need here. These are the booties for your feet. So you're gonna put the plastic on first, and then you obviously put on the thermal. You do get this little like plastic spatula. Obviously that's gonna help you kind of scrape the edges and get all of that ready. And yeah, so basically all we need to do is wait for this wax to melt, and it is looking good. So I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so we are all ready. Our wax is nice and melted. It looks so ready for me to stick my hand in. I actually ended up having to add 2 more bars of the wax. So how many is that total now? I think 5 bars that I put in there, and it's just at the minimum line. Obviously you need a minimum line because we need to make sure that the hand or foot is gonna get fully submerged. I did read the instructions. I'm thankful that I did that because it recommended to put it down to 127. I full on was gonna stick my hand in there at 165. I knew that wasn't a good idea, but I was probably gonna do it anyway. So I'm still gonna be careful because I don't know, you know, what this is actually gonna feel. I mean, I've done it before, but at a spa, never myself at home. So we're just gonna do a little bit here. Let me try my finger first. Oh, it's hot, but I think I'll be okay. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty hot. So we got to dip that hand in there, and you want to move it around a couple of times. You want to get everything fully covered, and then look at that. And then what we do is we put it in one of these little like plastic pieces here. And then we cover it with the little cloth thermal one. Obviously we have the plastic in between just so that we don't get that wax all over this. And then we let it sit and wait for a little bit. And then when we come back, I'm gonna peel it off. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes and let's go ahead and see what my hand looks like. Ooh, and then these, of course, you know, you're not gonna wanna reuse these because obviously they're gonna get all gunky, but like look at my hand here. And this is one of my favorite parts. I definitely need to like practice this. Again, at the spa, they just, oh, I'm actually, not too bad, look at me go. Look at that, and then you can just slide it all the way off. Oh, this is so satisfying. Look at that. Oh, lovely. So I did say that I was gonna throw it back in there, but I don't know, now I feel weird about it. Definitely do not use this if you're gonna be using this at like a spa or something, but as I said, it's just gonna be us using it at home, so I feel like I don't wanna waste this wax. But anyways, my hand is so smooth. And it smells like lavender because that is what was the scent of the wax. But yeah, feels so fantastic. I don't even know, like I feel like having this at home, I'm just gonna be spending a lot of time dipping my hands and feet because it feels so fantastic. I can see myself doing this every night before going to bed, dipping my feet, and they're gonna feel so lovely. And then they just suggest taking some of your, like any kind of cream and just kind of moisturizing. But man, it is so soft already. I love it.